Hi, this is Mike, and welcome to our health and wellness channel. Today, we're diving into the incredible world of chia seeds. We're talking about 7 benefits that can transform your health. These little seeds are nature's gift to a healthier you. Boost energy, support your heart, and improve overall health. Chia seeds are here to help. Let's kick things off with one of the most well-known benefits of chia seeds, their impressive omega-3 fatty acid content. Omega-3s are essential for heart health, and chia seeds are loaded with them. Chia seeds provide a plant-based source of omega-3s, perfect for vegetarians and vegans. Just a tablespoon of chia seeds can offer more omega-3s than a serving of salmon. Moving on to our next incredible benefit, fiber. Chia seeds are a fantastic source of dietary fiber, essential for a healthy digestive system. 11 grams of fiber in just 1 ounce. That's nearly half of the recommended daily intake. Fiber keeps things moving smoothly, preventing constipation. It also feeds good bacteria, maintaining a healthy microbiome. Now, if you're on a weight loss journey, listen up, because chia seeds can be your new best friend. Remember all that fiber we talked about? Well, it plays a key role in weight management. Chia seeds are incredibly absorbent, and when they come into contact with liquid, they form a gel-like substance. This gel expands in your stomach, making you feel fuller for longer and reducing those pesky cravings. That means you'll be less likely to overeat, helping you stay on track with your weight loss goals. Plus, the fiber in chia seeds slows down the digestion of carbohydrates, preventing those rapid spikes in blood sugar that can lead to energy crashes and increased fat storage. Speaking of energy, are you feeling a mid-afternoon slump coming on? Forget those sugary snacks and reach for a chia seed-powered treat instead. Chia seeds are a great source of sustained energy thanks to their unique combination of nutrients. We're talking about a perfect blend of protein, fiber, and healthy fats that work together to provide you with a slow and steady release of energy throughout the day. No more energy crashes, just sustained focus and vitality. So whether you're hitting the gym, tackling a busy workday, or simply need a pick-me-up, chia seeds can give you the energy boost you need to power through your day. Staying hydrated is crucial for overall health and well-being, but sometimes plain water just doesn't cut it. That's where chia seeds come in. These tiny seeds are like little hydration heroes, capable of absorbing up to 12 times their weight in water. That means when you consume chia seeds, they create a gel-like substance in your digestive system, helping your body retain fluids and stay hydrated for longer. This is especially beneficial if you're active, live in a hot climate, or simply struggle to drink enough water throughout the day. So next time you're reaching for your water bottle, consider adding a tablespoon of chia seeds for an extra hydration boost. Your body will thank you. Now let's talk about antioxidants. Chia seeds are packed with these powerful compounds that help protect your body from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage cells and contribute to aging and various diseases. Antioxidants neutralize these harmful molecules, reducing inflammation and promoting overall health. The antioxidants in chia seeds, such as chlorogenic acid and caffeic acid, have been linked to impressive health benefits, including a reduced risk of heart disease, cancer, and Alzheimer's disease. Incorporating chia seeds into your diet is like giving your body an army of antioxidants to fight off those harmful free radicals and keep you healthy from the inside out. By now, you're probably wondering how to incorporate these incredible seeds into your diet. Well, the good news is that chia seeds are incredibly versatile and easy to add to your meals and snacks. You can sprinkle them on top of your salads, yogurt, or oatmeal for a nutritional boost. Blend them into your smoothies for a thicker, more satisfying texture, or even use them as an egg replacement in baking. The possibilities are endless. Get creative and experiment with different ways to enjoy the incredible health benefits of chia seeds. So there you have it, folks. 7 incredible health benefits of chia seeds that make them a must-have in your pantry. From boosting heart health and aiding in weight loss, to providing sustained energy and supporting hydration, chia seeds are truly a nutritional powerhouse. Remember, incorporating these tiny seeds into your diet is easy and delicious. Get creative, experiment with different recipes, and find what works best for you. And as always, consult with your healthcare provider before making any significant dietary changes. especially if you have any underlying health conditions. Here's to a healthier, happier you with the power of chia seeds. Thanks for watching.